She's got that baby blue eyes you can sink into. E-waves in Malibu.
Major, how you been liking working here?
How do I like working here? I love this stuff.
Yeah, exactly. What'd you have for Thanksgiving?
Turkey.
Turkey. See you, Major.
Love y'all guys.
Bye. What are you gonna do today, Jose?
I'm on the phone.
Oh, wait till he gets off the phone.
I was driving down the road, waiting for a miracle. Through the tunnel I held my breath till I remembered what you said. I want a house.
Figured I'd stop by before I go to the doctor.
4 little kids and a song to sing. Take my love, take all you need. Just come back home when the night grows deep.
Morning, man. Morning.
This is how we clean our windows when we don't have no heaters in that truck. Or no defroster.
We need to talk about EpiPens.
James got stung by one little bee. Didn't have an EpiPen.
This is a test EpiPen. All you do is pop the top, stab them in the leg.
Can you do that again?
No. You don't understand, there's instructions on the back.
I do not believe this is OSHA approved. This here is an in-ground subwoofer. We're running all the wires for it. All these other smaller speakers around the pool. That's about it for the time being. Until they can get done with the irrigation, we can come in and bury this and bury the rest of this wire.
We're wrapping up here at Collins. Still got a few finishing touches to do, but I'll walk you through what we've done so far. When we come here, there was already a few flagstone steppers here, kind of curving over to these steps. That wall there, that retaining wall ran all the way through. So we cut that retaining wall out, cut in with the retaining wall, added these steppers and added these fresh new flagstones here, and then did sod to freshen up this whole yard here. We did these lights too. We got some up lights, path lights going all through here. I think this wall turned out nice. Steps turned out good. Then we did some excavating, like you can see in this area here, and then over that behind me there's some more. These areas where you see these footers, he's going to build decks. He's going to do that himself, the customer is, so we just poured the footers for him. That way he's got a head start on it. Then he'll come in and frame them in. You can see we added these plants over here, mulched everything around, added all these evergreen trees in the back, added all these plants here in this cool Mexican beach pebble, some grasses in, more path lights. Here's going to be his biggest deck. This one's going to be 20 by 12 foot, I believe. So we got 9 footers in total to help support that. Then we got this cool little area over here, some more Mexican beach pebble, tree in the middle, some more lights, uplight on it. And we just kind of did a cool little feature with that, and all the way through here with mulch. We still got on the other side of that fence over there where we messed that yard up a little, we're going to add some sod up there, kind of rough it up. Do the sod, seed and straw back over behind these trees here. And that's a wrap on this one. Move on to the next one.
All the times that we spent running backwards. All the ways.
So we got a bunch of plants going in, like 70 of them. A bunch of river rock just to fill in the beds. I got 3 rock walls, 2 that I done yesterday. I got another one that I got to do in the back. Then I'm getting these big boulders, spreading them out in the backyard. 3 up front for the kids to play on. Then I got 3 flagstones over here for his grill to sit on, and 1 for him to step onto. Then pine straw, and we should be done today.
subscribe.